Squeeze the handle a little bit more. You'll get more out of it. There you go. That's better. And bring it up this side a little bit. That's good. Okay. Pop the back. Touch it so it doesn't have a hair coming out of it. So you just, did you pop it? And then hand it to the next person. I'd wipe to the sides from the center outward like this. See how nicely that fills to the edge? And then do the same thing. You need some more on the end. You don't want to wipe it too tight. You want to leave it all saturated. Come a little bit more off the edge of it. Don't be up on the side. Bring it down on the same surface. That bubble's going to make it weak there, so just work out the bubble. You can try it once you have it down. You can pull it from the ends. Let me show you. You can take this. Come up the side like that once you have it set. Okay, so I would probably leave it a little bit heavier in this corner, so you may want to drag some of this and leave it toward the corner, or you can scrape this like this and then grab it real easily onto the edge of the spreader so you can put it there. Don't wipe it too hard. You want to leave it there. Much better. Now this corner is a little dry. So what you're looking for is saturating the fabric. Yeah, just wipe it up this way. It's still a little dry. You have about 30 more seconds. Good. Got a little bit of a air pocket there. Gotta put a little more pressure on it. Sorry.
Push a little bit in the bottom.
Okay, you're not getting that one spot where it is. There you go. You got it. Okay, much better. Now we can let this set. Let's look at this side. Looks like it's saturated well. Okay, so when this one is set, we can go ahead and peel the tape and do the front. Very good.
Just set it down.